Inflating a tire using NOCO Air can be done in 3 simple steps. First, with the vehicle running, clamp the battery clamps to the battery. Positive first, then negative. Keep cables away from any fan blades, pulleys, or other moving parts. Next, connect the air hose. No tools are needed, simply tighten by hand. When connected, air will display the tire's pressure. If a tire is less than 3 psi, it cannot be detected and the display will show the set pressure. To set a pressure between 15 and 100 psi, press the right arrow to increase or the left arrow to decrease. Hold down the arrow to quickly cycle through the numbers. Check the vehicle specifications for tire pressure settings. Set the desired pressure and press the power button. Air will now inflate the tire to the set pressure. It is normal for air to turn off and on momentarily as it approaches the target pressure. This may occur multiple times. Air will automatically shut off when the correct pressure is met. Disconnect the air hose and remove the battery clamps, negative first and positive second. Use caution when handling air after operation, as metal surfaces may become hot as labeled.